Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating and potentially game-changing topic how advanced AI technology like GPT-4 and ElevenLabs could completely transform the telecaller or call center industry as we know it. This shift has a massive implication for millions of workers working worldwide. So stick around as we explore the disruptive power of this innovation. The dynamic duo, ChatGPT-4 and ElevenLabs. At the heart of these potential revolutions are two groundbreaking AI systems, ChatGPT-4 and ElevenLabs. Let's start by breaking down what makes this technology so powerful. ChatGPT-4, the conversational genius. Developed by the brilliant minds at OpenAI, GPT-4 is a language model that has taken the world by storm. This AI can understand and generate human-like text with incredible accuracy, making it the perfect engine for handling complex customer interaction. Whether you are inquiring about billing issues, seeking product recommendation, or needing technical support, GPT-4 can comprehend your query and provide a clear contextual response that feels like you are conversing with a real person. ElevenLabs, the voice of the future. But what totally elevates the experience is ElevenLabs' cutting-edge text-to-speech technology. This innovation allows GPT-4 response to be delivered in stunningly realistic synthetic voice that captures the nuances, emotions, and accents of human speech. Imagine calling a customer care line and being greeted by a warm, friendly voice that sounds just like a real agent but with the power of AI driving the conversation. The potential impact on the telecaller workforce. Now let's explore how this potential combination of GPT-4 and ElevenLabs and such other technologies could disrupt the telecaller industry and the billions of jobs it supports. Unparalleled efficiency and scale. One of the most significant advantages of AI is this ability to operate at a scale and efficiency that far surpasses human capability. While a human telecaller might be able to handle 300 to 500 calls during an 8-hour shift, an AI system powered by GPT-4 and ElevenLabs could potentially or theoretically manage thousands if not millions of calls simultaneously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without breaking or fatigue. Personalized customer experience. But it is not just about volume. AI also has the potential to deliver highly personalized customer experience that would be nearly impossible for humans to replicate at scale. ElevenLabs technology can adjust the AI voice to match the customer's preferred language, accent, and even tone, making them feel more comfortable and understood. Meanwhile, GPT-4 can access real-time customer data and account information to tailor its response and recommendation to each individual's unique need and preferences. Cost savings for businesses. For a business perspective, the potential cost savings of adopting an AI-powered telecaller system are enormous. Think about the expenses associated with human workers, salary, benefits, training, infrastructure, and more. An AI system once implemented could significantly reduce these operational costs, making it an attractive option for companies looking to improve their bottom line while maintaining high-quality customer services. To further illustrate the potential impact of AI on the telecaller industry, let's look at some insight from major industry player Tata Consultancy Services called TCS. In a recent interview with the Financial Times, TCS CEO K Krithivasan made some eye-opening statement about the future of call center in Asia. According to Krithivasan, due to the widespread adoption of generative AI among multinational clients, there might be minimal need of traditional call centers across Asia in as soon as a year. Krithivasan's vision. While no job cut has occurred yet at TCS, the CEO painted a clear picture of how AI could completely transform the industry. In his word, in an ideal phase, if you ask me, there should be very minimum incoming call centers having incoming calls at all. We are in a situation where the technology should be able to predict a call coming and then proactively address the customer's pain point. These visions highlights the potential of AI system like GPT-4 to anticipate customers' needs and proactively resolve issues before a call is even made. Such a scenario could significantly reduce the need for human telecallers, sparkling concerns among policymakers globally about the impact on jobs, particularly white-collar roles like call centers, agents, and software developers. The future of telecaller industry. As we see, the integration of AI technology like GPT-4 and ElevenLabs into the telecaller industry has the potential to be truly transformative. But what does the future hold for this sector? The rise of AI-driven customer service. Many experts predict that AI will become the new norms of customer service interaction. Companies across industries will likely adopt this advanced system to handle a wide range of customers' inquiries. From simple billing questions to complex technical support issues, the level of efficiency, personalized, and cost savings offered by AI could make it an irresistible choice for businesses seeking a competitive edge. Navigating challenges and ethical concerns. However, this transition to AI-driven customer service is not without its challenges. One of the most significant concerns is the potential of job displacement, particularly for telecallers and other customer service professionals. As AI system takes our routine tasks, many workers could find themselves out of job, necessitating comprehensive retraining program and a shift in skill sets. Additionally, transparency and trust will be crucial factors in maintaining customers' confidence. Companies must be transparent about when the customers are interacted with the AI system rather than human agents, and ensuring that these AI systems adhere to strict ethical standards will be paramount. Example, the transformation of a call center. To illustrate the potential impact of GPT-4 and ElevenLabs, let's imagine a hypothetical scenario. A large telecommunication company has traditionally employed hundreds of human telecallers to handle customer service inquiries. However, after the implementation of AI system powered by GPT-4 and ElevenLabs, they have been able to manage the same volume of calls more efficiently and at a significantly low cost. The AI system can handle routine billing questions, technical support issues, and even sales calls at all while sounding like a friendly, knowledgeable human agent thanks to the ElevenLabs realistic synthetic voice. Meanwhile, tasks as human staff has been reassigned to more complex tasks that requires empathy, judgment, and creativity, such as handling sensitive customers' complaints or developing new customer service strategies. This transition has allowed taskers to provide a higher level of service to the customers while reducing operational costs, ultimately driving business growth and customer satisfaction. Conclusion: navigating the era of AI in customer service. As we explore the combination of GPT-4 and ElevenLabs representing a potential sea change in the telecaller industry, while the efficiency, scalability, and cost effectiveness of AI make it an attractive option for businesses, the impact on jobs and the need for retraining cannot be ignored. The future will likely see a blend of human and AI-powered customer services, with each playing to their respective strengths. Companies and policymakers must work together to ensure smooth and fair transition, investing in education and training programs to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in the AI-driven era. Ultimately, as with any disruptive technology, the integration of GPT-4 ElevenLabs into the telecaller industry will bring both opportunity and challenges. The key will be to harness the benefit of AI while addressing its potential downsides, ensuring a future where customer service is enhanced, not diminished by the power of artificial intelligence. Thanks for tuning into today's discussion. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content on the latest development in technology and beyond. Until next time, take care, stay curious.